Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Is it audible for you?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Shall I start the class?
Yes.
Good morning, all. I'm your new teacher for physics. I saw many disturbances coming from your part. So just listen first. Don't make too much noise. First, I will introduce myself. Myself, Vincy. I'm coming from Melur. My native place is in Melur. Maybe you know the place. I just respond to what I'm saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is genuine? From the starting onwards, you are laughing. What is the reason? Is there anything? Your previous teacher told me she completed up to before your uniform circular motion. That's why I started that one. But somebody's mother called me that you did not completed that much, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then can you tell me up to where the teacher completed? Up to clearly up to where? Somebody gave me the answer. Up to where completed?
Ma'am, she completed up to page number 102 first question.
Okay, 102 up to 102. Example 8.2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, okay, just I will start from the chapter first. Just I will give you a summary part. Just listen. Hello. So I think up to 8.2 example they completed. So just we will start with the chapter. Just I will give you a summary. So the chapter name is motion, right?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
able to unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Janvin unmuted. Neha.
Yes,
Just unmute. Okay. So we just I will give you a summary about the motion. Maybe you know what is motion, right? Janvin, give me the answer. I unmute. Janvin, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is motion? Hey Janvin, I did not ask you to laugh. Just give me what is motion.
Movement of objects.
Movement of something or anything we will call it as a motion. Every body or every object have state is there. State means either they will be in motion or they will be in rest. So detail about this one you will study in the next chapter. That is called force and laws of motion. Maybe you heard about the science name Newton, right? Andrew Paul, unmute. Andrew Paul. Okay, you will study that about the laws of motion in the next chapter. So here Janvi told us motion is something moving, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The motion is something. So I told you either an object have two states. One is either in motion or in rest. Rest means not moving. So anything can be in these two states only. That means only in motion or either in rest. Rest means it will not move, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Neha, you can't able to hear.
Yes, ma'am.
So you know what is motion. And next, so, motion along a straight line. What that means, you study know that one. What is motion along a straight line? Benjamin.
A moving object.
Motion along a straight line. The meaning
Straight
is
line.
itself in the state. What?
Yeah, I'm not hearing.
I say something.
Straight.
Motion along a straight line.
Yes. Yes.
What is that?
Motion is moving in a straight line.
What that means?
Movement.
Advil, who is Advil? Advil.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the
Yes,
answer. What is motion along a straight line?
Maybe distance of speed, something like that.
What I can't able to hear.
Maybe distance of speed, something like that.
What distance or is straight line? I asked you what is motion along a straight line.
I don't know.
Motion is complex.
Then what you studied? A motion, something is moving, we will call it as motion, right? Advil.
Yes, ma'am.
Motion means something is moving, right? So if something is moving in a straight line, we will call that motion in straight line. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me what I done. Advil.
Ma'am, I can't hear.
You can't able to hear. So what we told that motion means something is moving. If something is not moving, we will call it as rest. Okay, rest. R-E-S-T.
Yes.
It's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
And if something is moving in a straight line, we will call that motion as motion in a straight line. Is it clear or not? Just to tell the response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will give you some example. If a car is moving along a straight road, we will call that motion as a motion in a straight line. Okay.
Straight line.
Yes.
Yes.
If you are running in a straight line, we will call that motion as a motion in a straight line.
Straight line.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, what is the next topic? We have next topic. Two topics are there in the heading itself. One is uniform motion. Another one is non-uniform motion. Right? Page number 100.
Yes.
100. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
first one is, so we told that what is motion in a straight line, Next we have uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Okay.
Non-uniform. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
First, I will tell you what is uniform motion. I will give you some examples. If a car is moving in a straight road, okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Arunima, can you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, a car is moving in a straight road. So it is covering 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. Okay, just imagine. It is not
Yes.
possible, but if possible or not, no need to think. Just imagine that a car is traveling in a straight road and it is covering 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. Okay,
Yes.
Yes.
the next
Okay.
next kilometer. So it want to cover 10 kilometer. So first kilometer it covered in 10 minutes. Next kilometer also it covered in 10 minutes. So like that, after completing each 1 kilometer, it took 10 minutes to complete each kilometer. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So within how many time it completed each 10 kilometer? 100, right?
100.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
within 100 minutes, it completed 10 kilometer. That means 1 kilometer it completed in 10 minutes. Is it clear?
Yes.
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 So it is uniform. Actually, you know what is uniform? The meaning of uniform, you know. You all word
Yes, ma'am.
uniforms, right? That means all are equal. Dress code is equal, right? So that means the uniform. So uniform means the same, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So here we know that the car covered each 1 kilometer in the same time. It took same time to cover each kilometer, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So we call that motion as uniform motion. Is it now clear for you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Joseph, hey, look at me. Where you are listening? Surroundings. Is it clear for you or not?
Yes, it is clear, ma'am.
Okay, so something is moving and it is taking the same time to cover each distance. We will call it as in uniform motion.
Uniform.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, next, what is the next topic for us?
Non-uniform motion.
Speed with direction.
In the same topic, we have another part is the non-uniform motion, right?
Non-uniform.
Okay. Non-uniform means if you are wearing color dress or something like that, all over different dresses, we will call it as a non-uniform, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So like that, the same. One car is traveling. For the first 1 kilometer, it took 1 hour. For the next kilometer, maybe it took 10 minutes. For the next kilometer, maybe it took 2 hours, like that. For each same kilometer, it is taking different times. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
is it clear? So we will call it as a non-uniform motion. Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will call somebody. I think in your textbook itself, we have definitions are there. Okay, Neha, can you able to read what is uniform motion, the definition from your textbook? As the object.
As the object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in uniform motion.
Understood. So if something covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. So first example, car moved 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. Next kilometer also it covers in 10 minutes, right?
10 minutes.
So equal distances in equal intervals of time. We will call it as a uniform motion. Okay.
Motion.
Okay. Can anybody genuine? He's looking at somewhere else.
Ma'am, at the textbook.
Okay, can you able to read can you able to say what is non-uniform motion from this uniform motion?
Objects traveling in unequal distance in equal intervals of
Equal intervals of time. Either you can say it as the object covers equal distances in unequal intervals of time or unequal distance equal intervals of time. Is it clear? Anyone you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to make unequal. Okay.
Okay.
If unequal distances means in equal intervals of time, or equal distances means you have to make that as unequal intervals of time. Okay. I think the notes are there with you.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Shall
ma'am.
we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So what
ma'am.
is the next topic? 8.2.
Speed with direction. Speed with direction. Speed with
Is it
direction.
possible to follow me or difficult?
Difficult. Don't know.
Difficult.
Yes.
Who? To
No.
whom?
Yes.
Easy.
Easy.
To whom it is difficult?
Add with. Add with.
Not me, ma'am. It's easy
Where
for
is
me.
Advin?
Easy for me, ma'am.
Advin, is it difficult for you to follow?
No, ma'am. It's easy for me.
Then shall I move to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
So what is the next one? Measuring the rate of motion. Actually, these all topics already covered, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what is measuring the rate of motion? What is that? Can anybody give me the answer? Can you raise the hand and can you tell the answer? Alert. Alert. I think that's your name. Alert. Alert, can you raise the hand? Alert is not hearing. They just respond. Alert. Then Ryan, can you tell me what is measuring the rate of motion? If you're hearing also not telling the answer, why? Can you able to hear? Can you able to hear? Can you able to hear?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the next topic? Measuring the rate of motion. Okay. Measuring the rate of. So if any term contains rate of means according to the time, rate of change, you studied already. Rate of motion means distance by time. Okay. Rate of motion means distance covered by time. Is it clear or not?
It's clear.
Already you studied now. So measuring the rate of motion means if something is moving, we want to find its distance by time. So what is distance by time? You studied a term for that one. Benjamin. Hello.
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 Can you able to hear?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the next topic? Measuring the rate of motion. Okay.
Motion.
Shall I take?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So rate of motion means distance travel divided by time. Okay. Neha. Neha, can you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is rate of motion? Neha.
Distance covered by an object.
Okay. Distance covered by an object in unit time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever the term rate of change is coming, we have to divide that one by time. Okay. So the rate of motion means here we are going to tell about velocity or speed. Right? You studied about what is velocity, what is speed.
Yes.
Advil.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Advil. It's not listening to you. Arunima, can you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What we told? What is speed? Speed means distance travel divided by time. Right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next, what is next topic? 8.21.
Ma'am, speed with direction.
Speed with direction.
Speed with direction.
Direction.
So there you can see average, how to find average velocity, right?
Yes.
So how you will find average?
Initial velocity plus
Initial velocity plus final velocity
Plus
divided
final
by
velocity divided by 2.
2. Means here we have final and initial, two velocities are there. So we have to add them and we have to divide by 2. That is the way we are finding average, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the next topic?
Rate of change of velocity.
Rate of
Rate of
change
change
of velocity. Rate of change of velocity.
Before that, we have an example is the 8.2.
Yes.
Meter.
The odometer.
Alvina, can you able to read that problem 8.2? Alvina,
The car race to
read loudly.
the dominant 2,000 kilometer at the start of a trip and for 2,400 kilometer at the end of
Okay. Stop reading. Neha, can you able to read? Neha Jion.
The odometer of a car reads 2,000 kilometers at the start of the trip and 3,400 kilometers at the end of the trip. If the trip took 8 hours, calculate the average speed of the car in kilometers per hour and minutes, seconds per second.
Okay, here we have odometer. You know what is that? In car, we have a
Yes, ma'am.
meter, right?
Yes.
So that is called odometer. There it reads 2,000 kilometer at the start of the trip. Means what is that? Start of the trip, we have 2,000 kilometer. What that means?
In the car there was
It runs
2,000 kilometers.
Kilometer. What is
The
the
odometer is
kilometer? Kilometer means what is the unit? Whose unit is kilometer? Distance. So the given the starting distance is 2,000, right? And at the end of the trip, it completed 2,400 kilometer, right?
Kilometers.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
during the Hello. During the traveling, how much kilometer completed?
Doing
400.
400 means finally it was 2400 and initially it was 2000. So we have to subtract that one to get the total
Initial
distance,
plus
right?
final.
Initial plus final, not.
Initial plus final.
Just we want to find the distance. How we will find the distance? At the starting it was
Initial
2000. At the ending it was 2400. So how much is covered during the traveling? Only 400.
400 kilometers.
400 kilometers.
No, ma'am.
So,
400
so
kilometers.
the solution, in the solution we can see that distance covered by the car. So distance we will denote it by S, small letter S, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So it is
ma'am.
equal to 2400 minus 2000 kilometers. So we got it as 400 kilometers. Is it okay? You completed this problem already.
Yes.
Kian? Kian? Can you raise the hand? Yawning there in the morning itself?
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay. So we got distance, right? Okay. Next, what they given? Time they given. It has 8 hours. So you can see
8 hours.
trip took 8 hours, right? 8
Yes.
hours means that is time they given. So time T equal to 8 hours. Right? What we have to find? Average speed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, it is clear, ma'am.
Clear.
Okay. So how we will find average speed?
Total
Distance
distance
by
traveled
time.
by total
Total
time.
distance by total time. So what is the distance here? Total distance.
400 by
400 kilometers.
400 Okay. What is the total time here?
8 hours.
8 hours. So 400 kilometer by 8 hour we will get.
8 hours.
By dividing we will get it as 50.
50 kilometers.
Yes, 50 kilometers.
Right?
Yes.
So what we will write its unit?
H means
3 kilometer per
Kilometer is
Kilometer per
there in
hour.
the numerator and down we have hour.
hour.
So kilometer by hour.
Kilometer
50
per hour.
kilometers by hour.
So we will call it as
kilometer by
kilometer
hour.
per hour.
Kilometer per hour.
Okay, just by we will write it as a slash. That we will pronounce this as hour.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just
Okay,
we
ma'am.
have to substitute the values. That is all. Flemmy, can you able to explain the problem? Flemmy? Flemmy Binoy. Just can you explain that one? Flemmy, respond please. Flemmy? Use this headset and respond. Charles, can you able to tell the problem? Charles. Okay, what are things they given in the question? Say loudly.
it is not clear.
Not clear? What are things they given in the question? 8.2.
Distance covered by the
Asin, can you able to tell?
Total distance is equal to 2,400
What are things they given in the
minus,
question?
the odometer of a car reaches 2,000 kilometer at the start
Starting
of the
distance, right?
Yes.
And then
And then it travels 400 kilometers.
just tell the words what are things. No need to read the question.
The car travels 2,000 kilometer at the start.
Starting, so
And
the
then-
starting kilometer they give it as 2,000 kilometer, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then what is the given next?
Then at the end, it traveled 400 kilometers.
Okay, at the end, it covers 2,400 kilometers. Then what is the total distance it covered?
400 kilometers.
Final minus initial, right?
Yes.
So we will get it as 2,400 minus 2,000.
2,000.
So we will get the answer as
400 kilometers.
400 kilometers.
400
As in,
400 kilometers.
okay, what is the next they given in the question?
Calculate the average speed of the car.
Before that, one more thing they given.
If the trip took 8 hours.
Time they given it as 8 hours, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And what they asked you to find?
Calculate the average speed of the car in kilometer.
Okay, so calculate the speed of the car. Two types you have to calculate. One is in kilometer per hour. Another one is meter per second, right?
Yes.
So kilometer per hour, how we find already the distance is given in kilometer and the time is given in hour. So just to divide that values 400 by 8, we will get it as a 50 kilometer per hour. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next, what is the next they asked you to find? Meter per second. So we have to
Meter per second.
change kilometer into meter and hour into second. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay or not?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So how will you find a kilometer into meter? How many meter is equal to 1 kilometer?
1,000 meter.
1,000. So
1,000 meter.
400 kilometer or okay. So just the value we have to multiply with 400. Hello.
Ma'am, X kodikana ma'am. Ma'am, X.
Equally.
Is it okay to clear?
Ma'am, X ko. Ma'am,
So we
X ko.
got the answer as 50 kilometer per hour. We are going to change it into meter per second. Right?
Not hearing.
Ma'am, X ko. Ma'am, you
Can't
tell
able to
him.
hear can you raise the hand? How many of you can't able to hear clearly? Can you raise the hand?
No.
Anybody? Shall I start?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we got the final answer as 50 kilometer per hour, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We are going to convert it into meter per second.
Okay.
Okay, so what we have to do is that we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And also 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes.
Yes.
1 minute is equal to 60 seconds.
Yes.
And you know that how to convert hour into second. 60 into 60
Yes.
means 3,600 seconds equal
3,600
to 1 hour.
seconds.
So we will divide that values. Means 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So 1,000 divided by 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So 1,000 by 3,600. Or you can see in your textbook, page number 102. Did you saw that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we got it as 50 into 1,000 by 3,600.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you got?
Yes.
When we will divide these values, what is the final answer we got?
13.9 meters.
30.9 meters.
13.9 meter per second.
When we will calculate that value, we will get it as a 13.9 meter per second.
Yes.
So we got two values for average speed. One is in kilometer per hour and the second one is in meter per second.
Meter per second.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This problem is already solved in your notebook, I think.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
No, ma'am. This is not
you did not draw that one.
And this is
No.
not done. No.
Okay. So can you take your notebooks?
Yes.
All you take your notebooks. See one board here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to leave some space for writing the question and then write distance traveled. So we are going to first sentence distance covered by the car. How to find?
Distance.
2,400 minus 2,000.
So first you have to write one
Minus.
equation for that one. Final distance minus Is it okay for you? First sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, the first sentence is
Yes, ma'am.
you have to find distance covered by the car. So they given two distances. First is initial and the second one is final. So we have to subtract that one, then only we get the total distance. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is the final distance here they given?
2,400 kilometers.
400 kilometers.
2,400 kilometer minus what is the initial starting?
2,000 kilometers.
1,000.
1,000 kilometers. So what we will get that?
400.
It will be 400 kilometers.
400 kilometers.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the next one? What is the next thing they given? If the trip took 8 hours,
The
if
time
the
taken.
trip took 8 hours means they given the time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, time. How will denote time? By small letter T, right?
Yes.
Okay, here you have to write one more thing. Distance we will write it by S. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
So there you have to write S. Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So they given next to time T equal to, what is the time T?
8 hour.
8 hours.
8 hours.
Okay, what is the time they given?
8 hours.
Equals
8 hours.
8 hour. Up to this is clear for you, I think.
Yes.
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 Okay, what is the question they ask? You have to find the average speed, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So write it as average speed. How to find average speed?
Total distance
Distance by
traveled by
time.
400 divided by
total
8.
time taken.
Total
Distance.
Distance
Distance
traveled
divided by
by
10.
the
Distance divided by time.
divided by
Divided by time. Time.
time.
okay, what is total distance they given here?
400
400 kilometers.
400
100 kilometer.
kilometer divided by
by 8.
8 hours.
hours.
1858.
So what we will get the answer? 400 by 8.
50 kilometer.
50
50
kilometers
kilometers.
So
per
you know
hour.
how to divide, right?
Yes.
So we will
Yes.
get it as a 50. And there you can see kilometer by hour. So that is the unit for that one. We will write it as a kilometer by hour and we will read it as a
Hour.
kilometer per hour.
Kilometer per hour.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first question part is completed and the second one is we have to convert it into meter per second, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So I told you already. And in your textbook you can see that average speed we will write as a V means speed. And in the down subscript you can see that AV, that means average speed. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the next one? We have to convert it into
Meter per second.
Meter.
meter per second. Okay, I told you we got the answer it as 50, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
50. And we know that it is in kilometer per hour. How many kilometer is equal to 1 meter? How many meter is equal to 1 kilometer?
1000 meter.
10 meter.
So you have to top. In numerator, you have to write 1000. Right? By in denominator, you have to write 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? 60 into 60, right?
60 seconds.
1663 3600.
3600. So in your textbook, you can see that one in page number 1 of it. So what we will get?
13.9
Equal to 50
meter.
into, can you tell what is 1000 divided by 3600? The answer for that one.
360.
13.9.
0, 0 will get cancelled. 10 by 36. What is the answer for that one? 10 divided by 36. Huh?
8.
Give me the
3 by
answer.
4.
Huh?
3.6. 3.
Ma'am, 9.
Give me the answer for that one.
3.6.
How much? Genuine. Full time out.
3.6. 3 point.
I have to stop. They are laughing too. Genuine, give me the answer. What is 10 by 36?
And 3.6.
3.6.
3.6. Man, 3.6.
And
Genuine,
3.6.
Ma'am,
Genuine, do and
3.6.
show that book. I can't able to hear. I can't able to see.
ma'am, 5 by 18.
3.6. Man, 3.6.
3.6 not 10 by 36.
Ma'am, 5 by 18.
Ma'am, 5 by 18.
5 by
5 by 18, no.
18.
18.
5 by 18 we will get, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we will do this one, what is the final answer we will get?
13.9 meter per second.
The answer will be
0.28.
13 point
9 meter per second.
9 meter per. We
Second.
got the answer in kilometer per hour and 13 in meter per second. So this is the question they asked in the textbook. Is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, man.
So study up to here for the next class.
Okay.
Yes, man.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a nice
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a
Nice.
nice.
Have a nice day.
Ma'am, Alicia, ma'am is gone.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Very happy.